Hello, John again with SST. Now that we're doing quite a few more retrofits of sheet-fed offset presses over to the SST LED curing system, I want to share with you 7 specific areas customers are telling us they're benefiting from. First, in terms of productivity, reducing an average of 28 minutes per print cycle. That's due to eliminating the warm up and cool down of UV lamps, getting a faster make ready due to realizing a stable print condition more quickly because there's less heat in the system, and also faster and less frequent blanket washes due to overall faster job changeovers altogether. From a profitability standpoint, if you assume 20 hours per day operating at 15 cents per kilowatt hour, electrical costs go down a year by about $13,000, another 8,000 parts, and then exhaust systems are completely eliminated, as well as the makeup air needing to recondition that air is eliminated as well. So overall, realizing a payback period, if you include productivity, of around 10 months. From a heat removal perspective, some pretty impressive results here as well. Less roller and blanket wear due to reducing heat, eliminating of course fires altogether, reducing the HVAC load in the warmer months, and not needing to cool substrates at all, induce heat from an SST system. The maintenance area, the lamps and reflector maintenance that is continually happening with UV systems, as well as the cooling system and shutters and cassettes needed about bi-weekly on average maintenance, completely eliminated, and replacing those UV bulbs about every 1,000 hours or so is gone as well. From a quality perspective, actually realizing better quality print results by less substrate distortion caused by heat, the variability in print caused by lamp degradation over that 1,000 or 1,500 hours as well is eliminated, and then being able to use heat sensitive substrates that they couldn't use can help from a quality. Lastly, for sustainability, saving 55 tons of carbon emissions per year, being able to eliminate the manufacture, use, and disposal of mercury, and also being able to use thinner, more sustainable substrates with lesser heat. So some pretty compelling results there. We'll be happy to put together a customized analysis for you, both from a financial perspective as well as operational. Also happy to look into any rebates that might apply from your local energy supplier to subsidize your LED investment. Thanks, and have a great day.